Our second candidate who was able to land the top 5 is no other than candidate number 7. Our third candidate na tatawagin ko ngayon para masali sa top 5 is no other than candidate number 5. Okay. Our fourth candidate na nakasali sa top 5 is no other than candidate number 6. Okay. Makinig, tatlo na lang natira. Lovely candidate sa likod, kung sino may hindi makuha sa top 5, you still receive a consolation prizes. And to complete the top 5, candidate number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, these are our top 5. Our 5 lovely candidates who will vie for the title for tonight's search. Okay, may call